So in the previous class, we have seen the introduction to the SAP.
SAP.
Then we have discussed about first of all, what is an ERP, what are the ERP
Yes.
packages are there, the history of SAP. Okay.
Yes.
Then we'll
Okay.
discuss about the origin of SAP, what are the technical modules, what are the functional modules.
Yes, sir.
Then after that, we have discussed what are the roles and responsibilities of the functional consultant and technical consultants. And we'll discuss about
Yes.
our module called SAP PM, plant maintenance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Okay.
today we are going to see the logging into SAP system. I will show it.
So
Okay.
actually,
From SAP
actually,
logon.
sir, on introduction class, the the job description of SAP PM was not discussed.
We'll discuss everything. Okay. What is the roles and responsibilities
Okay.
of a functional consultant, technical consultant? We'll discuss that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now this is SAP logon pad to log in into the system.
Yes. Okay, sir.
So we need to double click on it.
This is a new version, sir, of SAP.
Yeah. You select the version and click on log on. Now system has opened a screen. Okay.
Yes.
So here you are able to see client 800, user, password, language. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here
Okay.
client 800. Okay. And user, by default the SAP has given the default user is SAP user in small letters in generally, and default password is
Okay.
India 1. Okay. Suppose
Okay.
if you install SAP in your laptop or desktop and you want to practice,
Okay.
then the default user given by SAP is SAP user in small letters and the default password is India 123. Okay.
Okay.
And no need to enter the language, by default we are in English. Apart from
Okay.
that, if you observe here, the system even displays in which version of SAP you are logging.
Okay.
Okay. It even displays in which version of SAP software you are logging. So welcome to IDES ECC 6.0 EHP5. Okay.
Okay.
So I have
Okay.
my username and password. So I will enter my user and my password and I will log in. So like this, you are provided with
Okay.
your username and password, you can log in, and it should be in small letters.
Okay.
Okay. Press enter. Okay.
Okay.
Now you are able to see the front screen of SAP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what is this client
Okay.
number? Okay. What is this client number? Now
Client
let us
number.
say I'll take two companies here, Tata and IBM. Okay.
Okay.
Let us say I will take two companies, Tata and IBM. Now IBM is a software company. Okay. And
Okay.
this company is going to implement SAP to a company called Tata.
Okay.
Now IBM is a software company. They have so many clients, customers, where they are implementing SAP to different companies like Tata, Nestle, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Johnson and Johnson, Sony, Philips, Reliance, Birla, etc., etc.,
Okay.
etc. Okay. Now
Okay.
this IBM software company will provide a number to the client or to the customer, to a customer called Tata. That number we call as a client number, and it should be
Okay.
only in numeric, where it ranges from 0 to 9,
0 to
and
9.
maximum is 3 digits.
300.
So initially you are entering client 800. Okay. So what is this client
Okay.
number? Client number is a 3-digit number of maximum given by SAP to a customer or to a company where they are going to implement SAP. The maximum number of digits
Okay.
allowed is 3, where it ranges from 000 to 999.
999.
I specifically entered 800. Why? Why not some other number? Instead of 800, I can enter 405 or 749 or any other number. This client 800 is specifically given by SAP for SAP education and training purpose.
Okay.
This client 800 is specifically given by SAP for SAP education and
Education
training
purpose.
purpose, where it contains
Okay.
some default standard settings and values. Okay.
Okay.
Now what is this IDS means? IDS stands for Internet Demonstration Evaluated System, given
Okay.
by SAP for SAP education and training purpose, where it contains default standard settings and values to run the business applications or process, where it contains default standard settings and values to run the business applications and process. For example, company 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, etc. Company code as 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, etc. Plant as. So this SAP has given some default standard settings and values in the standard system.
Okay.
And this version is called as a IDES version, which is
IDES.
used for education and training purpose. Okay.
Okay.
It is specifically given by education and training purpose, like plant, okay, maintenance plant, etc. So some
Okay.
default settings are there in the system. It means 1000 as a company, 2000 as a company, 3000 as a company, okay,
Okay.
4000 as a company, okay, SFS given,
Okay.
and 1000 as a company code, 2000 as a company code, 3000 as a company code, the SFS given, okay. In the same way, plant, and if you take maintenance plant, so SAP has default given maintenance plans, example
1000, 2000, 3000,
4000, etc.,
4000.
etc. Okay,
Okay.
and this version we treated as a IDS version, which is used for SAP education and training purpose.
Education.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Now you are able to see the screen, SAP Easy Access screen. So
Yes.
we call this as a SAP Easy Access screen, or we can call this as a session, SESSION session. Okay.
Session.
So this screen is used by everyone. Everyone means whether you are a functional consultant,
You.
whether you are a technical consultant, and whether you are a user. User means,
Okay.
for example, you are implementing SAP to a company called Tata Steel. The employees of Tata company are called the users. Suppose you are
Users.
implementing SAP to a company called Nissan Motors or Toyota Motors,
Okay.
okay, or Renault or BMW, okay, or Audi,
Okay.
etc. The employees of that company are called the users. So
Users.
everybody can use this screen, SAP
Okay.
Easy Access screen. We call this as a screen, and we can call this as a session. And
Session.
here the SAP has provided the limitation to open the screen. What is that? What is that limitation? It means the SAP has provided the limitation to open the screen. What is that limitation? The maximum number of SAP Easy Access screens we can open is 6 under a single user ID and the password. Please remember.
Okay.
Okay, you cannot
6. Only
open
6.
more than 6 screens under a single user ID and the password.
Okay. Okay.
Now see here, I will show. Already you have opened one screen, right? Now
Okay.
I am placing the cursor on one icon here at the top of the screen. Are you able to see? Create new session.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I will click on it. System is open on one screen. That is second screen. Okay. If you want to open another screen, you have another alternate way. Again, you can click on it. Click on the same option, or else at the corner left side after menu, there is another option here. Are you able to see?
Yes.
If you click on it, create session.
Create session.
It has opened third screen. Okay.
Okay.
Again, if you open it, click on this new session. Either you can use this option, or else you can click on this create
This
session, whatever it is.
create session.
Okay, so
Okay.
like this, either you can click on this or else click on here and click on your create session. So the system will says maximum number of sessions reach. Okay, so you cannot open more than 6 screens.
6.
One second.
Okay.
So 6 screens have been opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you try for the 7th time. The system will says maximum number of sessions is reach. So we cannot
Reach.
open more than 6 screens.
6.
Okay, whether you are a functional consultant or a technical consultant or a user, whoever it may be. Okay, so in one screen you can create some transaction, in another screen you can check the stock of a material, in another screen you can create a BOM, in another screen you can create a maintenance order, in other screen you can create a notification, whatever it is. Provided
Parallelly, we do all the work.
yeah, provided you cannot open more than 6 screens. That is standard.
6.
Even in the real time also.
Okay.
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 Even in the real time means when you are working in a job also. That is the meaning. Okay. Fine. Now I'll close it. All the screens. I'll open one screen. Yeah. Now here you just observe at the top of the screen what I am going to enter here. Okay. Are you able to see?
Yes.
At the top of the screen I am entering MM01. It may be small letters or it may be capital letters. Okay. Press enter.
Okay. MM01. Enter.
Just I entered MM01. See again I'll show here. In the top of the SAP Easy Access screen, I am entering MM01. It may be small letters or it may be capital letters. Does not make any sense.
Okay.
Press enter. Now we are not in the front screen, right? Now we are not in the front screen. You are in some other screen. What is that screen? Create material.
Create material.
So system has taken to a screen where you can create a item number, material number, material code. Okay.
Okay.
I don't want to create a material now. I want to create a supplier or a vendor. You just observe at the top of the screen. /n xk01 enter. What happened?
Create vendor. Create vendor.
Yeah. The material screen has been disappeared. It has opened a screen to create a vendor.
Create vendor. You enter T codes.
I will tell you. Okay. What happened? The material screen has been gone. It has opened a screen to create a vendor.
Create vendor. Initial screen.
Yeah. Now, again, I will enter here /n mm01 enter. Now what happened?
Create material.
The vendor screen has been disappeared. It has opened a screen.
Create material.
To create a material.
Material.
Okay. No, I don't want to create a material now. Again, I want to create a vendor. Now again /n xk01 enter. The material screen has been disappeared. It has opened vendor screen. If you observe clearly, I am using /n mm01 or /n xk01. Okay, I am using /n mm01 or /n xk01, where mm01 and xk01 are the SAP given standard transaction codes to create a material and to create a vendor. What is that MM01 and XK01? So MM01 and XK01 are the SAP given standard transaction codes. It's not only in Hyderabad or in India, throughout the world, globally, or SAP given standard transaction codes to create a material and to
And
create a
vendor.
vendor. These are all SAP given standard was. So basically the syntax is slash and transaction code.
Slash and transaction code.
What is the use of this slash and transaction code? Means the system close the current screen or transaction and opens a new screen or transaction.
Yes.
Is it clear? The
Okay.
functionality of the slash and transaction code. What is the functionality of this slash and transaction code? Means the system close the current screen, or we can call this as a transaction, and opens a new screen or transaction. Now see here. Now we are in the vendor screen now. Suppose here
Yes,
if you
sir.
enter slash and mm01, it has taken new transaction,
Create
or we can call this a
new
new
track.
screen. उसको screen भी
Yes.
बोल सकते हैं
Okay.
और उसको new transaction भी बोल सकते हैं.
ठीक
Got
है.
the point?
Okay.
Okay. Simple भैया. You will open Google Chrome.
हाँ.
Okay.
Okay.
You will open the Google Chrome, right? Okay. Once you enter the Google Chrome or Internet Explorer www.yahoo.com, then what happens? System will take to Yahoo website. For example, www.hotmail.com. So it will take to Hotmail website.
Hotmail.
Gmail.com. So it means you are entering a particular source of the information on that web browser or Internet Explorer. In the same way, in SAP also, this is a front screen, SAP Easy Access screen. We call this as a
Okay.
front screen,
SAP is front.
front screen, or we can call it a welcome screen. So here if you enter MM01, it will exactly take to a particular screen. What is that screen? To create a material. मुझे material create करना नहीं है अभी, मुझे vendor create करना है. Okay, I want to close this. मुझे एक screen to close करके my vendor screen को open करना है. So here /n xk01 enter. What happened, man? The material screen has been disappeared. It has opened a screen to create a vendor. Okay. Let us say I need both screens. मतलब I need material screen as well as vendor screen. Then we'll use the syntax /o transaction code. In shortcut we call it a /o t code. Okay.
Okay.
What is the use of /o t code? Means the system close the current screen or session. Okay. Sorry, it's not close.
Okay.
The system minimize the current screen or session and opens a new screen or session or transaction, whatever it is, guys. उसको screen भी बोल सकते हैं, session भी बोल सकते हैं, transaction भी बोल सकते हैं.
ठीक.
Then what is the use of the previous one? It will close the current screen and opens a new screen. You got the point? See, in /n transaction code, the system close the current screen. जो screen आप open किया उसको close करेगा.
और उसकी जगह वो open हो जाएगा.
And opens a new screen.
New screen.
लेकिन here in /o transaction code, it will minimize the current screen. जो screen आप open किया वो minimize करके अब दोबारा आपको जो screen चाहिए वो open हो जाएगा.
Okay. Okay.
Please remember the funda. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because in future classes we are going to use like that. Okay. Now you are in which screen, boss? Okay. Now we are in vendor screen now. See, even in the bottom also you are able to see only one screen. वो है vendor.
Yes, sir. Vendor.
Here I am entering /o mm01 enter. What happened now? It has displayed material screen. But don't think that vendor screen has been closed. You can see at the bottom. See here. Vendor screen भी है, material screen भी है. दोनों है. Okay? हाँ.
Okay.
So that is the functionality of the /o transaction code. Okay. Next,
Okay.
slash and END to log off or log in SAP system. Now, for example, here we have opened 2 screens, right? Let us say I'll open all the screens, 6 screens. So click on this option, system opens the screen. So 6 screens have been opened. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose here if you enter slash and END, if you press enter, system will ask, do you want to log off it or not? Okay.
Okay.
System will ask, do you want to log off it or not? If you click on yes, it will close the screen. Okay. If you click
Okay.
on no, you are in the screen. It means the system is giving you the priority. Okay.
Okay.
Login ho jana, you want to log off or you want to log in?
Log.
System is asking you whether you want to log off or log in.
Okay.
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 Suppose if you click on yes, all your 6 screens will be terminated.
बंद हो जाएगा सर.
If you click on no, you are in the screen. यानी कि सिस्टम आपको प्रायोरिटी दे रहे, लॉग ऑफ होना है या लॉग इन होना है. Isn't it?
Okay.
हाँ. Now see the difference here. Next one. Slash and EX to exit or to terminate from the system. Okay. Next is to exit or to terminate from the system. Now, for example, here if I enter slash and EX, if you press enter, now see what happens. Without any prior notice, the system has closed all the screens.
Yes.
Are able to see?
Yes.
You are not able to see any screen. Again, you
बंद हो गया है.
click on SAP logon pad. Again, you need to re-log in. Okay. So slash and EX, it will not even give any information also. System will terminate or exit the SAP system without prior notice. That is important. Or information. Okay.
Okay.
Now what is slash n? The system opens SAP easy access screen. The system opens just a new screen. That is your welcome screen. Now see here. Suppose if you enter slash n, if you press enter, क्या हुआ? You are in the same screen.
New screen.
You are in the same screen only. If you enter slash n, if you press enter, just it will display only the SAP easy access screen.
Same screen.
Welcome screen. Remember, whenever you are in the SAP easy access screen, that is in the front screen, that is in the welcome screen, no need to use slash n or slash o. समझ में है आपको?
Slash n और slash o use नहीं करना है.
करने का जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay.
Now see here. इन easy access screen में मैं एंटर कर रहा हूं mm01, एंटर किया, प्रेस एंटर. एंटर करने के लिए you can press on your enter button on your keyboard, or else
Okay.
you can click on this tick mark here. आप देख रहे हैं इधर?
Right button.
हाँ.
हाँ. Green and right.
या अभी सिस्टम मैट्रिक्स स्क्रीन ओपन किया. ओके. or else again in the SAP access screen, if I enter slash and mm01, if I press enter, you are in the same screen. There is no difference. Got the point?
Okay.
When you are in the SAP easy access screen, that is when you are in the welcome screen, whether you use slash n or just transaction code does not make any sense. समझ में आ रहा है भैया?
समझ गए.
ओके. आप फ्रंट स्क्रीन में mm01 एंटर करो, सिस्टम मैट्रिक्स स्क्रीन को लेकर जाएगा. और एल्स इफ यू एंटर स्लैश n mm01, तो भी सिस्टम मेट्रिक स्क्रीन को लेकर जाएगा. सो यू डोंट हैव एनी डिफरेंस. ओके,
ठीक है.
प्लीज रिमेंबर, whenever you are in the SAP is access screen, बोलो तो front screen of SAP,
Front.
no need to use /n or /o, whatever it is. Other than SAP is
ठीक.
access screen, we need to use /n/o. Please remember this, all these fundamentals. Okay,
ठीक है.
fundamentals are very important. Now let us say I'll enter MM01 here. Enter. Now you're in which screen now? Material
Material
screen.
screen.
Now at the top of the screen you just enter here XK01. Now you're in which screen? Yeah,
Create material initially screen.
but you are not in the vendor screen. Got the point?
Yes.
See here,
Yes.
above the create material, मैं खाली enter कर रहा हूँ XK01. Press enter. So system, it is still showing this material screen only.
Material screen.
So other than SAP's access screen, you need to use /n or /o, whatever it is. Okay, like that.
Okay.
Or if you want to see now, suppose you are in material screen now. Okay, either you can use /n /o, or if you want to open another screen, click on this create new session. Okay, you can open like this also. So what happens, it opens only the front screen.
Front.
समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Okay, or else
हाँ sir.
again if you click on here, beside menu you have an option create new session.
Create
It opens only SAP's access screen. It will not take to particular transaction screen. अगर आपको particular screen में जाना है तो you need to use /n so and so /o so and so. हाँ, particular screen को जाना है तो you need to enter. जैसे अब you have open Internet Explorer, what happens? It will just opens Internet Explorer. You specifically when you enter the website name www.vodafone.com, so it will open the Vodafone website. www.naukri.com, so it will take to Naukri website. In the same manner, okay, when you click on this create session, it opens only SAP Easy Access screen, front screen of SAP.
Okay. Okay.
If you specifically if you enter /n suffix of /o suffix of the transaction code, system will take to particularly to that screen. Okay. So whatever it is, you cannot open more than 6 screens. That is base mode. Whether you use /n or whether you use /o or whether you click on these options, create new session, whatever may be the sources you are going to use, you cannot open more than 6 screens.
At a time.
Yeah. Whether you are a functional or a technical or a user level. That is standard of SAP. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, so as I told you, SAP Easy Access is a screen where it can be used by everyone, whether you are a functional consultant, technical consultant, all the users from the client side. Okay? There is another environment where it is used by only the functional consultants. What is that environment? SPRO. SPRO stands for SAP Project Reference Object. Okay? And one more thing. Whenever you are using transaction codes, you don't have any abbreviation. Suppose you have entered transaction code MM01, right? You don't have a abbreviation for MM. Suppose if you enter XK01, you don't have abbreviation of XK01. It's just a transaction code. That's it. Please remember.
Okay. Okay.
समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Okay. Suppose I want to create a notification IW21. Press enter. Create plant maintenance notification. Okay. IW21 is a transaction code. Okay.
Okay.
See here, I'll show. Suppose IW21, that is to create a notification, PM notification बोलते हैं. What is this IW means? You don't have an abbreviation for that. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Okay. समझ
Suppose I want to create a maintenance order IW31, उसको बोलते हैं create
create
maintenance order
maintenance order.
or order, whatever it is. Suppose here if I enter IW31, enter, it will take to create order. Create order बोल दो maintenance order. Okay? So you don't have the abbreviations for the transaction codes. Please remember. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So SPRO only you have abbreviation, SAP Project Reference Object. Okay? So what is this SPRO? It is a transaction code used by functional consultants only for configuration, customization and execute project. Okay? SPRO is a transaction code used for customization or configuration and execute project used by functional consultants only.
Functional concept.
It is not used by the programmers, yani ki technical consultants and users will not use it. Now here at the top of the SAP Access screen, I am entering SPRO. Enter. What happened? System has taken to a screen. It shows customizing execute project. So from this screen, only the functional consultants will have authority, permissions to open to the screen or to go into the screen.
Okay.
So you are a PM consultant, SAP plant maintenance consultant. So you have the authority to enter into the screen. Okay? So what is SPRO means? All the background settings are done under SPRO settings. Okay? So here in SPRO, all the background settings are we call as a configuration or customization. Settings are done here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So here, what I have done here, I entered SPRO, press enter. System has opened a screen, customizing execute project. Okay? To come to this screen, we have another alternative way. This screen ko आने के लिए, we have another alternative way. What is that? SAP Access, tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO. उसको double click किया तो it opens the same screen. Right?
Okay.
So what is one option? One option है SAP Easy Access के ऊपर सीधा enter करो SPRO, चाहे वो small letters हो या capital letters हो. You press enter.
Okay.
You are in customize execute project. Or else SAP Easy Access screen में tools को जाना, customizing को जाना, IMG को जाना, SPRO double click करो. You are on the home screen. Where IMG stands for implementation guide.
Implementation guide.
Yeah, where IMG stands for implementation guide. Yes. Okay. So where IMG stands for implementation guide. So see here what you are doing. SAP Easy Access, tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO. If you double click on it, it has open a screen, customize execute project, right? We call this as a path or navigation. Okay? Suppose you came to Hyderabad for attending any function or with your office work, whatever it is, and your training Technopad is available in Hyderabad. So you have decided just to visit. Okay? Now you will make a call to the Technopad people. Where your institute located in Hyderabad? Now I am in Hyderabad. Just I want to come and I have brought my laptop or desktop. अगर time हो तो मैं SAP install करवा लूँगा. So what those people will say, Manish, our office is located in Amirpet. Okay? आप बस को पकड़ते हैं या ट्रेन को पकड़ते हैं या नहीं तो कैब को पकड़ के आप अमीरपेट को आते हैं. आने के बाद दोबारा आपको ट्रेनिंग डिपार्टमेंट को आप फोन करते हैं. फोन करने के बाद वो लोग क्या बोलते हैं, मनीष वेयर यू आर, now I am in Amirpet, let me know exactly where it is. Then those people will say, you come this point, straight, left, Again you come straight, second building, second floor. What does that mean? It means they are giving you the path or navigation to come to the Technopad Institute or Technopad company.
Okay.
They are giving you, they are giving you the road map, or they are giving you the path to come to the office Technopad. In the same way, okay, this is a path for SPRO. वो path क्या है? SAP Easy Access,
SPR.
Tools, Customizing, IMG, SPRO.
SPR.
इसको बोलते हैं path. समझ में आ रहा है भैया?
हाँ जी.
Okay, so we call this as a path. वो path क्या है? पहले SAP Easy Access को जाना, then उसके बाद Tools को जाना, उसके बाद Customizing को जाना, then IMG, then SPRO. Okay,
SPR.
this is called path, or we can call it as a navigation. So whenever I say the path, this is the path. We call this as a path or navigation. We can call it as a. Okay?
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, to perform all these activities, whatever it is, maintenance activities, purchasing activities, sales activities, production activities, in any organization, we need to design or we need to frame the SAP organization structure or hierarchy structure. So a group of functional consultants will involve to design or to frame this organization structure. A group of functional consultants will involve to design or to frame the organization structure. This is the organization structure, how it look like. Okay? Who are the responsible functional consultants and what is this organization structure? We'll discuss now. Now let us say, as we discussed, we took the two companies, Tata and IBM. Okay? Now, as we discussed, Tata is a client or a customer or a company. Okay? And IBM company we call as a service provider or implementation partner, where they are going to implement SAP. To whom?
SAP.
To a customer called Tata. Okay?
Tata.
Now see here, how the customized settings or configuration settings is done to the organization structure. First, we need to create a company. What is a company here? Tata Group of
Tata.
Industries. Why we are calling specifically this company as a Tata Group of Industries? Because they have so many industry segments. In the sense,
Yes.
they have power sector, they are into steel sector, they are into motor sector, they are into automobile, they are into software, they are into chemicals, they are into capital, they are into aerospace, they are into construction, etc., 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 etc. Okay? So each industry segment we call as a company code. In SAP में उसको बोलते हैं company code. Okay? So here company is unique. Unique बोलो तो एक ही है. Got the point? Please remember.
Okay.
Okay? What is meaning unique? It's only one.
ठीक है.
Please understand it. Okay? You don't have Tata Group 1, Tata Group 2, Tata Group 3. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Okay. Okay.
We call as a Reliance Group of Industries, Tata Group of Industries, Birla Group of Industries. What is that meaning, boss? They have so many industry segments. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
हाँ.
Okay.
समझ गए.
So Tata Group of Industries means why we are calling it a group of industries? Because वो लोगों को different industry segments है. Now you take Coca-Cola. We call as a Coca-Cola Group of Industries? No, not at all.
No. Coca-Cola.
They are only into one manufacturing segment. Manufacturing of beverages or cool drinks, etc. But you don't have Coca-Cola Motors, Coca-Cola Power, Coca-Cola Healthcare, Coca-Cola Software. No, you don't have like that. Okay? So here, company is Tata Group. Under this
Tata
company,
Group.
as they have so many industry segments, so that in each industry segment we call as a company code. So Tata Steel is one company code, 1. Tata Power is one company code, 2. Tata 3 is company code 4. Okay? So Tata Steel is one company code. Tata Power is one company code. Tata Steel is one company code. Tata Motors is one company code. Got the point?
Okay.
Now, let us say under the Tata group, I'll took Tata Steel. There is steel business. Okay. Tata group mein, I'm taking the steel business.
Steel.
Under this Tata Steel, I'm taking under the Tata group. I'm taking example Tata Steel. यानी कि steel business of the Tata. ठीक है? Under this Tata Steel, they have n number of plants. One plant is located in Jamshedpur, another plant located in Silvassa, another plant located in Mumbai, another plant located in Hyderabad, another plant located in Vishakhapatnam, another plant located in Ranchi, another plant located in Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, etc. Okay?
Okay.
This means first Tata Group. Under this, I am taking Tata Steel. यानी कि steel business. Let us say you are employee of Tata Steel. I am employee of Tata Power. Your boss will be Ratan Tata. मेरा boss भी Ratan Tata. Got the point?
Okay.
But what is the difference? You are specifically working for Tata Steel. यानी कि आपका कस्टमर्स, आपका सप्लायर्स, आपका कंपनी में जो मटेरियल्स यूज कर रहे हैं, मेंटेनेंस कर रहे हैं, वो सब पूरा डिफरेंट है.
हाँ.
किससे? टाटा पावर से.
टाटा पावर.
और मेरे टाटा पावर कंपनी में जो कस्टमर्स हैं, जो वेंडर्स हैं, जो मेंटेनेंस एक्टिविटीज है, वो सब पूरा डिफरेंट है. बट योर बॉस, माय बॉस विल बी रतन टाटा ओनली. समझ में रहा आपको? हाँ, like that. So again, under Tata Steel you have a number of plants. What is a plant ban? Generally, a plant is a geographical or a physical location where some sort of the manufacturing activities takes place. What is a plant? It is a geographical or it is a physical location where manufacturing activities takes place. बोलो तो production activities, maintenance activities, quality activities, project activities, warehouse activities, okay, service activities, whatever it is, will take place at plant level. Okay. Now example, under the plant one Jamshedpur plant. Now see here, you have so many plants. मैं ले रहा हूँ एक plant, Jamshedpur plant. Under Jamshedpur plant, I have store location 1, store location 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Okay. What is the meaning of store location? It is a place where you store the materials, isn't it? Or we can call it as a warehouse. Yeah, Manish.
हाँ sir.
Are you there, Manish?
Yes sir.
Yeah. So what is the store location, Bhaiya? It is a place where you maintain all the materials, goods, right? Or we can call it as a warehouse. In the same way, in the plant one, you have purchasing organization. So purchasing department we call as a purchasing organization in SAP. Okay?
Okay.
And purchasing group means it is a individual person or a group of people responsible for purchasing activities. We call as a purchasing group.
Okay.
So like this, we need to design the organization structure. Okay? So first you will have company, then company codes. Again, company code can each a number of plants. Plant can each store locations, purchasing organization, purchasing groups. Even we have planning plant, maintenance plant, etc. So who are the responsible functional consultant to design this organization structure? That is very important. Now here are the responsible functional consultants. FI consultant create करेगा company codes in the real time.
Okay.
Controlling sections or controlling information is created by CO consultant. CO consultant बोलो तो controlling consultant. This consultant, materials management consultant, will create a plant, store location, purchasing organization, purchasing group. The SD consultant, यानी कि sales and distribution consultant, will create sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, shipping point, etc. Now, coming to our module, PM, we are going to create a planning plant, maintenance plant. Okay, and there is a planner group is there, organization structure का, planner, etc. So basically these are the things: planning plant, maintenance plant, etc. we create from the PM module point of view. Okay.
Okay.
So once, if all these functional consultant will create all the responsible organization elements, once you go with respect to path to see the organization structure in the SAP system, you can go to transaction code EC01, structure, navigation, press enter, select the company code and double click on it. Then the system displays the organization structure. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are in the training program, so we will see whatever the parameters we are going to create from the PM point of view, and the remaining parameters will use whatever the parameters the SAP has given. Okay.
Okay.
So in tomorrow class, we'll discuss what are the still organization elements, organization structures, what are we are going to create from our PM module point of view. In our training program, what are the organization parameters we are going to use related to other modules also, that I will show.
Okay.
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 So today we have seen the introduction of how to enter into SAP system, from where the functional consultant will work, from where the technical consultant will work, from where the users will work. Okay. And what is this configuration customization, who will do it, what is the path for that, or how the path we call as a, what is SPRO, etc. Okay. And one more thing,
Okay.
at the top of the SAP access screen, see, if the screen is closed like this, don't confuse, वो RMR को click करो, वो open हो जाएगा. So here you will enter.
Okay.
Close करना है, वही RMR को use करना है.
Close हो जाएगा.
Okay. Suppose here if I enter
Okay.
IW21 to create a plant maintenance notification. Now at the right side at the bottom you can see here. ये RMR कहना है here at the right side at the bottom. ये कभी-कभी ऐसे close हो जाएगा. इसको click किया तो वो open हो जाएगा. And you can see what is the client number, user कौन है, what is the program file of this of the screen, आप कौन सा transaction में है, IW21, everything it will display. Who is the user? Now Shekhar is the user. It will display all the things. ये RMR को close किया तो it close it. If you want to open it, click on it. Same.
Okay.
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 So tomorrow we'll start actually our plant maintenance. Okay, module.
Okay.
And what are the organization elements we'll create from the plant maintenance module. Okay. And while you are practicing, what are the other related functional parameters we want to use it, that we'll discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. So far you got any recording files from my end, introduction file like that?
No sir. No sir.
अभी तक कोई SAP डेमो और इंट्रोडक्शन फाइल, कोई रिकॉर्ड फाइल आपको आ गया?
नहीं.
No, right?
नहीं sir, नहीं है.
Okay,
नहीं
fine.
है.
Now see here. Every day the class will be taken in the GoToMeeting link. You need to join as today how you are joined.
Okay.
And these recording files you will get through a website called www.wetransfer.com. Every day after the completion of the class and before you are coming for the next class, yani ki within 24 hours of time, okay, you'll get the recording file to your email only. I cannot send directly with my email through Gmail or Yahoo because the file capacity, the recording file capacity is very huge. इसकी वजह से डायरेक्टली मैं Gmail से या Yahoo मेल से या Hotmail से नहीं भेज सकता हूँ. That's the reason I will use this website. Using this website, I will transfer it. Okay. Now here the important point.
सर खोला.
Now here the important point here is, it will get the recording file to your email ID. ओके,
Okay.
आपको रिकॉर्डिंग फाइल तो आपको ईमेल को ही आएगा, बट हियर इट
Okay.
इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, please check your mails properly, your inbox, bulk, spam. Sometimes I'm saying
Mm-hmm.
it, instead of getting inbox, वो spam bulk में जो भी जाएगा, तो मुझे आप कॉल
Okay.
करेंगे या तो मैसेज भेजेंगे, सर मुझे कल का रिकॉर्डिंग नया आया, मैं देखा है, प्लीज रिमेम्बर,
Mm-hmm.
प्लीज रिमाइंड, ओके, प्लीज रिमेम्बर, ध्यान से, प्लीज रिमेम्बर, ओके, प्लीज चेक द मेल्स
Okay.
प्रॉपरली, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Don't
ठीक
blindly
है सर.
believe, don't blindly delete your bulk or spam mails.
ठीक
नॉर्मली
है.
आपको इनबॉक्स में आ जाएगा. सो कभी कभी आपको ईमेल्स
हम्म.
ज्यादा आ गया, समझ लो. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, समटाइम्स देयर मे बी
हम्म.
अ चांस इट विल गो टू बल्क और स्पैम,
ओके.
और आप बिना देखे वो डिलीट कर दिए तो फाइल उड़ा उड़ा गया.
हम्म.
ठीक है. एंड वन
ठीक.
मोर थिंग,
ठीक.
once you get the recording file to your inbox, your bulk or spam mails, within 7 days
हम्म.
of time you need to download. Again, this is very important.
ओके.
Even it is holidays also, don't think that it is only in business working days. 7 days बोले तो
हम्म.
right from Monday to Sunday.
हम्म.
अगर मान लो today I send the file, okay, so today
हम्म.
is Thursday, right?
हम्म.
Thursday first, next Thursday up to this time you have the time,
ओके.
यानी कि 7th or 8th,
एक हफ्ता.
एक हफ्ता. Within this time, if you don't download it, even if it is there in your inbox, the system will say the file got expired. Please remember all these things.
ओके सर.
It's my responsibility. I need to send the recording file. It's your responsibility. ध्यान से आपको मेल्स को चेक करो, इनबॉक्स, बल्क एंड स्पैम मेल्स, ध्यान से डाउनलोड कर लो रिकॉर्डिंग फाइल्स.
ठीक है सर.
इफ यू लॉस्ट योर रिकॉर्डिंग फाइल्स, अगर मुझे पूछा तो आई एम हेल्पलेस. So let us say for example, today is the first class. I'll send the recording file.
हम्म.
After 10th
हम्म.
class, if you ask me the first day recording file, मेरे पास नहीं होगा.
अच्छा.
Just see,
ठीक है सर.
initially I want to inform you all these things and all. Okay.
ओके
फिर
सर.
दोबारा शेखर सर ने मुझे inform नहीं किया, otherwise I would have taken the this thing and all. So I'm telling all the
हम्म.
permutations, combinations, how everything and all. Okay. Even today's
ठीक है
class
सर.
also recorded. I will send to your email ID.
ओके सर. उसको मैं डाउनलोड करके देखता हूँ सर. कल डाउनलोड करूंगा उसको.
Now, in the meantime, I will send the recording files of the SAP demo classes also. अभी देखो, I'll go to WeTransfer. I'm opening here. वो normal demo introduction का है, okay? It's not related to particular module and all.
ओके.
When you came for the first time for the classes, demo classes के लिए आप आए थे ना?
हम्म.
Okay, so that I will send that introduction file or else SAP introduction. हाँ, आपका email ID बोलो, मनीष, बोलो,
वासनिक.मनीष
वासनिक्स,
@wasnik
WASNIK
.मनीष
dot MANISS Manish
@yahoo.com.
@yahoo.com. ठीक है, ओके. एंड बिलो मेरा ईमेल आईडी है, ठीक है. अगर कुछ मैं
ठीक है
मैसेज
सर.
भेजना है, सो आई सेंड हाय मनीष, यू कैन सेंड सम मेल, ओके, मैसेज. जैसे आप नॉर्मली ईमेल जैसे रहते हैं, बट ओनली थिंग इज दिस वेबसाइट इज गुड टू
बल्क
सेंड इट
फाइल.
ट्रांसफर.
इसको हम जनरली भी यूज कर सकते हैं क्या सर ये वेबसाइट
यस,
को?
आप कौन सा भी बड़ा फाइल्स आपको दोस्त को, आपका रिलेटिव को कोई भेजना है, बस नाउ सी हियर, इट इज 98.7 MB है वो.
Okay.
So it will take some time,
Huge
you will
file.
get it. Like,
Okay.
okay. So that's the reason we are sent to this vtransfer.com. So
Okay.
once you download it, I'll get the confirmation. Manish is the person
Okay,
has
you
downloaded.
mail.
First, I'll get two
Okay.
emails. One is, once if I send it, you'll get a, no, I'll show that one also. वो mail कैसे रहता है?
सर गाड़ी आ गई, ये निकालो
बस 5 मिनट.
आपको ऐसा आएगा emails. First when I send it na, okay? See Manish. First when I send, okay? Hello?
हाँ सर.
Now see, when I send, I'll get a message like this. Your files were sent successfully to so-and-so email ID. Okay? Then, once the student is downloaded, again I'll get another mail like this.
Confirmation में.
यानी कि ऐसे आएगा मैसेज. Okay? This person has downloaded your file. ये download का फाइल होगा इधर. वो फाइल, वो what is the topic का, that is purchase order. वो मेरा MM क्लास का है ऐसे. जब आप लिंक को डाउनलोड क्लिक करेगा, आपको दोबारा दूसरा स्क्रीन को जाएगा. Now see here, if you click on this download link, it will take to another screen now.
Okay.
Just I'm showing it so that you will get an idea.
Yes, sir. Our company
sir,
also made that
when I
Dropbox.
see here, when you click on this, click on download.
Okay.
जैसे आप download click करेगा, it will download in your download files and all. Got the point?
Okay, sir.
So this is a
Our
procedure.
company also made like one software, KSK Dropbox.
Okay.
Same type. Same
Achha.
type.
Okay. So like
You
this,
can send a 500 MB file
everybody can use it.
like this. Yes.
Okay.
Oh no, only for KSK stuff.
That's all. That is your internal, but this WeTransfer it is globally.
Then-
Everybody can use it.
Okay, sir.
It's excellent website. You can send bada files कुछ हो है, you can send it. Okay.
बाय.
So see you tomorrow.
5 मिनट में.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thanks,
See you
sir.
tomorrow, the same time. Okay. And today's
Okay, sir.
recording file I will send to you.
Okay, sir.